Morning, Rod. And for installers, this is just a demo of our wiring and how we're working. And you can see then when I dim that down, it's dimming, off. So I've got it wired up. I've got 4 different colours on here just to show you. And now we'll just do the key fob. So it's plus, minus to turn the key fob on. And then it's just press that one once, press it again, turns off. Next colour, off. Next colour, off. Next colour, off. Hold this one down to lock it. And the little light LED flashes, and now it's locked. And that preserves the battery life. And then the wiring of this is positive and negative on the back. Sorry, I just turned the light on there. Standard wiring on coming in out to the light, so I've got here 1 positive and coming out, and 3 negatives. So the positive is going into pin 5 in there. It's a bit hard to see, but it's the brown one going in. And there's positive and negative on the top and the RJ. Very, very simple.